Hello, my name is Pedro, and today I will show you the most relevant shortcuts to speed up your workflow in Pro Tools. I'm using Windows, but the shortcuts for both Windows and Mac will be displayed in this video. I will start with my favorite tool in Pro Tools, the Smart tool. This tool alone speeds up my workflow more than any other. Enable it by pressing F6, F7, or you can also press here. With this tool enabled, you can trim a clip by placing the cursor on the edge, or grab a clip by placing the cursor on the bottom, or use the selector tool by placing the cursor on the top. To cut a clip, place the cursor where you want to cut and press B or Ctrl E. To duplicate a clip, select the clip you want to duplicate and press Ctrl D. Or select the clip and press Alt and then drag it to where you want. To trim a clip, place the cursor where you want to trim and press A to trim from the start. Or press S to trim from the end. To zoom in, place the cursor where you want to zoom in and press T. Or R to zoom out. To edit automation in a track, press Alt-, then select the parameter you want to automate. You can also select the parameter you want to automate by pressing Ctrl, Start, and then left or right arrows. You can do the same on multiple tracks at the same time, by using Ctrl to select multiple tracks, and then again Ctrl, Start, and then left or right arrows. This is very useful to quickly automate volume and panning. To set automation points, press Ctrl and click. To solo a single track, select a track and press Shift-S. To disable solo, press Shift-S again. Instead of selecting the track, you can also simply place the cursor somewhere in the track and press Shift-S. For muting a track, it's the same principle, but press Shift-M instead. That's all for today. If you found this video useful, look for the second part of this video. See you on the next one.